Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 66 of Building the Batmobile, the Tumbler from the Dark Knight trilogy. In this issue, we're finishing off, I believe, the inside of the back bit with the ailerons. We're putting the little activating brackets. I'm not sure how they're going to work. I don't know that they're going to work very well, to be honest, but there we go. One shots. I think these are just like little episodic type things, unless it's just sort of one panel, one page stories. Batman, Mask of the Phantasm. Oh, that's interesting looking. There we go. Read all about it. Nice art there. Yes, so we've got the brackets to go on the inside here, and these are like activation posts. What does it call it? Connector and connector supports is all it's calling them. So basically putting them in on one side, putting them in on the other side, and then they'll be put in. And then next time we're starting on the interior console, by the looks of it, the right center console, and several of its first components. So let's get this bit finished. Right, so here we have from last time. Can't pick it up by the ailerons because they pop out because they're not that secure. You may have recalled last time I had some trouble with a part that came. I have drilled and fitted a pin through there, so that is now acting as it should on there. It's actually a more secure fit than the other one, to be honest, so make of that what you will. But that now activates by the post on the inside, and the post on the inside is what we're going to be dealing with now. We've got these brackets to fit on. They go on this one on this side. Basically, they hold in these two activators. That goes on there like that. There's 3 CM screws to hold that in place, and obviously 3 more for that one on that side. Get it the right way round, the right way up, something like that. And then this bit is an interesting looking piece. That basically fits into this groove here and onto the 2 activators to join them together. And there's a screw that goes through either end of that to hold that in place. Different type of screw for each side. So the CM is what I need first to put all of these in place. So let's carefully lay that down there. We're going to need 6 of these. 3 on either side. Actually, I'll just do the one side. That's going to be the easiest way of doing this. So we'll get the 3 of these in there. As ever, when putting in multiple screws, put them all in a little bit first. Make sure everything lines up and it goes where it should. And then go back and tighten them all up. It's nicer to even it out a little bit rather than putting one in really tight and then having to flex the part to get the next in tight. So yeah, I'll get those tightened up. I'll get the other ones attached as well. And then this piece will go on there like that. And what have we got? The screw at the front is a UP screw, and the one at the back is a GP screw. So, where did I put them? There. What have we got here? This is a GP. So this is going to go at the back part here. That's not the opening bit. Yes, it is. There should be probably only 3 of these screws in there. Just get the one out for now. And that will go through, there's a hole there, and then into the bracket there. Yeah, I'm going to need to throw some light on that to get that done. So let me get that attached, and then we'll see about the other side. Right, there we go. I have got both of them attached. All the screws in place, all tightened up. Yeah, they work, but they don't work great. If I push this forwards and backwards, you'll see the ailerons on the side move a bit. Not dramatically, but they do move. Yeah, it does a thing, but they don't move very much. So I don't know if the motor is strong enough to move that, which I'm sure it will. It doesn't take a great deal of effort, but for the amount of engineering involved in making it work and the end result, I wouldn't have bothered. I'd have left that as it is. They look good as they are, so they don't need to be animated. But there we go. That's what it is. So that's what it is. I think we're finished with that bit for now until we get to attach it to the body itself. So for now, we're putting that aside. Next time we're starting again, I think on the interior again, more the center, right of the center console, which must be the bit where he goes down into bike mode and targeting mode, whatever thing. So I get to put this aside for now and move on for the next bit. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe and join me for more very soon. Bye bye for now. Yeah.